Good evening and thanks so much for your company. Well, the Australian share market erased this week's gains, falling 92 points or 1.3%, with most of our sectors closing in the red after the US President Donald Trump threatened higher tariffs if China doesn't come to the trade deal party and strike a deal. Most of our sectors, as we mentioned, closed in the red. However, the consumer discretionary sector saw the most love today. The tech sector almost rose as TechnologyOne beefed up the most, rising 11% to $8.72 after TechnologyOne was reiterated as a growth stock by Bell Potter, who says its price will grow 15% given the business's profit growth is tipped to be about 15% per annum over the medium term. Financials were lower as, of course, Westpac fell the most in the big four banks after announcing that the company Westpac is being sued by Australia's financial intelligence agency Austrac. Reports are swirling that there's 23 million breaches of anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism finance laws, with $11 billion in transactions. Westpac ended over 3% lower, with the other major banks following. The energy sector was also weak after a 2.5% drop in Brent oil overnight, and that saw Woolley Parsons slip almost 4%. Saracen Minerals fell about 9% today to $3.03 after the gold miner raised $701 million to partially fund that 50% purchase of one of Australia's biggest gold mines, the Kalgoorlie Super Pit. Saracen was upgraded to Citi as a buy with a price target of $4.10, and today Macquarie rose its target price for Saracen to $4.40. Investors should bear in mind, though, that although it's a $1.1 billion purchase, it does have a lot of upside, but what we don't know at this stage is all the details. We can assume that its gearing will rise a fair bit, but we're not really certain of the contribution to earnings that the super shiny mine will make. Outside of that, Aristocrat ALL, their shares hit a new all-time high, rising 6% to $33.71 after reporting an almost 30% profit growth jump thanks to solid international earnings. Aristocrat also upped their final dividend to 34 cents, and its result was stronger than the market expected. They also announced that they'll be paying a lot less tax, so plenty of good news today for Aristocrat. Citi, their price target for the firm is $37.90. Macquarie is less bullish, giving Aristocrat a price target of $34.50. Zooming out, Asian markets are lower. The gold price has gained on the back of global equities falling. The gold price is at $1,473 an ounce. The US futures are suggesting a negative open when they commence trading this evening, and the Australian dollar is buying 68.16 US cents. Thank you so much for your company. See you tomorrow.